Good morning, children. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, today we will revise numbers 1 to 19 and then we will do an activity for number 19. So, let's start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19. Children, now let's do an activity. Number 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. And I have some cones here. We will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 कॉर्न्स. कॉर्न तो एक हेल्दी फूड है और विंटर में तो गरम गरम कॉर्न खाना अच्छा लगता है ना बच्चों? बच्चों, मेरे पास ये एक फटी हुई पतंग है, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना उसे डेकोरेट कर लूं। चलो, ये स्माइलीज को फेविकॉल लगा के हम ये पतंग पर स्टिक करते हुए हम काउंटिंग करेंगे। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So these are 19 smileys. बच्चों, आपके पास भी ऐसी काइट हो तो उसे आप डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं।
Now, let's see the solution of the worksheet.
In this worksheet, you had to count and color the ducks. See, I have colored my ducks with yellow color. And you also had to color the number 19, which I have colored with red color. Let me see yours. Wow!
Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Keep practicing, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye and thank you.